Hey there, scrapper people. Today we're going to tear apart this here power converter. It's an Astron SL-11A. It weighs 10 pounds, 13.9 ounces as it weighs. It doesn't work. So we're going to see what's in it, see what all we can get out of it, and what's it's worth. So that's it right there. So let's get started. Mouse poo coming out of it. Get the ding out of it, huh? There's the metal casing with dingles on it. Make sure it's metal. It is. So if this is copper, it's good and heavy. It's good and heavy, but I don't know. That's the way the collar is. Let's get this here off. This board. You can get this off. This is aluminum. See what's got this held. I guess it's a screw here. There we go. Now we got it coming. It's a low-grade board with an IC that'll pop off, so we'll take it. Won't weigh nothing, but we'll take it. The rest is just a low-grade board. My big one here. Lots of insulated wire. Yeah, it's not lots, but it's a little bit. Aluminum heat sink. Wire. Let's drill those out. Good clean aluminum extruded heat sink. Let's see if we got copper or if we just got aluminum. That is copper. Right there it is. So let's try to get this apart. It looks like it just bolts together. So let's go ahead and get it apart. warm one today. Have lots of slack on this. I'll get this apart. Once I get it apart, I'll be back. Alright, we're back, and being little like it was, it came apart all over. Got that one to take out yet, but got it apart, so I'm gonna go through and clean all this up, and then we come back, we'll weigh everything up and see what we got. So stay tuned and I'll be back. Okay, we are back, and as for the shred, it is 7 pounds, 11.8 ounces of shred steel. The aluminum, the extruded aluminum, is 8.4 ounces of extruded aluminum. The insulated copper wire is 4.9 ounces. The low grade board is 3.1 ounces. Dirty aluminum is 0.9 ounces. The brass we got 1.3 ounces of clean brass. The little IC chip that I took out of that low grade board weighs nothing, but they will add up. And for the winner of the day, as you can see, this cardboard box is zeroed. The copper is 1 pound, 13.2 ounces, but I had thrown this away. Always look and make sure that you got it all, because I did not see that until I was stripping the other one. This I had thrown away, so you always want to make sure you get it all out before you throw anything away, because even though this is just a little bit, 13.2 ounces, we got a 0.1 ounce. Got 0.4. So we got 0.2 ounces out of that, so not much, but it's something. So now we got, actually it was 0.3, well, keeps varying between 3 or 4 and 5. We'll say, we're going to say 5. 1 pound, 13.5 ounces. It keeps going to that, so we're 1 pound, 13.5 ounces. So that was everything out of that. Wasn't bad. I mean, a pound of copper is nice. Always nice when you get a pound of copper. I enjoy doing this, and I hope you enjoy watching. I'm going to keep them coming, so please like, share, and subscribe, and thumbs up, and watch for them every Wednesdays and Saturdays, sometimes Sundays. If I don't make it out on Saturday, I'll get one out on Sunday usually. Yeah, so we'll keep them coming. Thanks for watching. See ya.